really enjoyed that summery song.
Oh, yeah,
Definitely. On the beach.
Well, yeah. Well, from the grunting in the background, it could be anywhere. It's a good tune.
It is a good tune.
Yeah, I like it. Well, I was delving through the CDs, my own CDs, and
no records.
No, not these days. Used to, but not now. And I found Savage Garden, and a tune I've always liked by them, and this is called Truly, Madly, Deeply.
I never. Give it a listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's Truly
Madly, Deeply. Yeah.
And go 97.
97,
Yeah.
yeah. 20 years ago.
It's unbelievable.
Yeah, well,
It's only just back around the corner, isn't it?
oh, it is, yeah. And the half of them we have with us today were only just born then,
Yeah,
so...
no, the Zimmer frame, I'll get it out of the closet.
oh, no, never mind. Well, listen, talking of old,
Yeah.
let's try a bit of James Taylor.
Right, no problem. This will be
Yeah.
a good one.
You've got a friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you're down and troubled and you need a helping hand and nothing, oh, nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, babe, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, now all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. You've got a friend. If the sky above you should turn dark and full of clouds, and that old north wind should begin to blow, keep your head together and call my name out loud now. Soon I'll be knocking upon your door. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yes, I will see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, yeah. All you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, ain't it good to know that you got a friend when people can be so cold? They'll hurt you and desert you. Well, they'll take your soul if you let them. Oh, yeah, but don't you let them. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again. Oh, baby, don't you know about winter, spring, summer, or fall? Hey, now all you've got to do is call. Lord, I'll be there, yes, I will. Know you've got a friend. You've got a friend, yeah. Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Ain't it good to know you've got a friend? Oh yeah, yeah, you've you've got a friend.
There's nothing I can say about that song.
No?
No.
Well, I could tell you it was written by Carole King.
Yeah, well, I didn't realise that till you told me just now.
It was off a album called Tapestry, which was very big for her.
Right.
But I prefer the James Taylor version.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. So I just threw it in there, like I said, fishing through some CDs, just pick random tracks. The next track I picked solely for Dozy, believe it or not.
He's not here.
Oh, he's here, all right. He's alive and kicking and talking to somebody else in the corner. But this is Paul Rodgers, and an album that I have of his for a good while now that he done solo. Hand-picked musicians, and just wanted to do his own thing. And
He just got in the studio and done his own thing then.
yeah, well, the album's called Paul Rodgers Now.
Right.
And this is the first track off it. It's called Soul of Love.
Right, we'll give it a listen.
Yeah, I won.
The soul of love.